COB at a tune of 211 million. The pending interest of both staff and members of the county assembly as at now stands at 60 million. It is not our making, and it is not our fault that we are not able to facilitate members in good time. Now, we are faced with the challenges and the reality of what is happening in our country today. We don't have money to honor these services in good time. But that does not mean we are not going to pay members. So we have got pending bill at 60 million, but then plus interest of members and members of the staff. We have got assurance from the COB that now, after the budget has been published and uploaded by the control of the budget, then now we'll be able to access these monies. That will come in a record of between 3 to 4 weeks. Yes. Honorable members, because they draw salary out of giving service to the people of Nairobi. And attending plenary sessions actually is one of the core mandates of a honorable member. So if you run away from your responsibility, I think that is wrong. Honorable members enjoy immunity and privileges, and they are bound by law that they are certain sittings which, if they misses, then their seats could be declared vacant. So we have 8 sittings per session, and which they are alive to. So I don't know for how long they will keep away from the plenary sessions.
So maybe what are you addressing? Because we have seen the past 2 weeks.
We have had speakers Kamukunji and made at least several resolutions. We have actually talked some sense, and we have come to agreement that going forward, we are going to make sure we fast track all the processes so that we don't end up with pending bills. Honored in relation to the work plan. The work plans are normally developed by the executive. So it is not in isolation that you can decide which work plan to approve and which other one not to approve. And you know the assembly is not independent. We don't have the autonomy. So we get money from the executive. So that issue of some members are being paid per diem and others are not paid, that is neither here nor there. Those are politics.